Our Warsaw workshop is aiming on mostly the development of the projects. That means that we all help to find the best way to design this project and bring it into life. My name is Oliver Baumgarten and I'm the co-founder of SOFA, School of Film Advancement. SOFA School of Film Advancement is a training initiative aiming on young cultural entrepreneurs from all over Europe who have projects developed or in development that directs on finding an audience for films. So the range of those projects is very wide, but they all have in common that they are designed for finding the correct audience for special independent films. Furthermore, each participant have a broader look on the budget idea, so what kind of dimension financially will have this project and what kind of chances to finance are there and how to communicate this project. So how can we really find a good wording to bring all the necessity of the project to possible partners and financiers.